Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of verify account on the application of Calm. You will go to you will go to settings as you see here and you can click. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about the application of Calm and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.